Welcome childrens. Let's continue our chapter number 10, Cyber Threats and Security. Well, for today our subtopic will be cyber security. Cyber security is a collection of technologies, processes and practices designed to protect networks, computers, programs and data from attack, damage or unauthorized access. So in what way cyber crime can be stopped? The most easiest way is your cyber security. So let's move on and find what it includes. The first thing is antivirus. Antivirus is a computer program that is designed to identify, prevent and remove viruses from a computer. And what actually is the task of antivirus? The first is it scans the computer files to look for known viruses from virus dictionary. It also scans emails which might contain a virus in the attachment. Identifies suspicious behavior of any computer program which might indicate infection. Well, the most popular antivirus softwares are AVG antivirus, then you have McAfee, Norton antivirus, some more are a Quick Heal, Microsoft Security Essentials. And moving further to know the features of antivirus software, the first one is full system scan. Now this type of scan are needed when you install your antivirus software for the first time. And this ensures that there is no hidden viruses present in your system. Next is custom scan. Custom scan helps you to scan your system as per your requirement. Next is virus definitions. Now your antivirus software, it depends on the virus definition to identify the malware or viruses. So that is the reason why we need to regularly update. Next is action taken by antivirus. Now what type of action antivirus takes? First is repair it. Here the identified virus is being removed from the infected file. So this is the best option. Next is delete it. Here infected file gets deleted along with the virus. This only happens when virus cannot be separated from the data file. And the next is quarantine it. That you all know very well, quarantine. In this case, what happens when the antivirus program is not sure whether the file is infected or not? It separates out the file so that the virus does not spread, and this is known as quarantine. So my childrens, that's all from my end. Stay home, stay safe and go digital. Thank you. God bless you. Do subscribe the channel for upcoming updates. Thank you.